Do subscribe my channel for more videos and also hit the bell icon for notifications.
Hello friends, welcome to Krazzy for DIY. Today's video is yet another tutorial on a very beautiful greeting card which can bring back a volley of memories. So let's begin. To make this card, we need two papers, one for the lid of our box and the other to be the base of the box. So let's start with the base first. The measurement of the paper is illustrated in the slide coming by. So we make the lines accordingly, and now we need to make the score lines, for which I have taken an empty pen. Now we need to cut down the shaded area. Further, follow the cuts and folds in the manner shown in the video. And the base of the box is ready. Now for the lid of the box, we take another paper and follow the measurements as per the slide coming by. Now we need to follow the exact same process as was done for the base. And the lid is ready as well. Now for the pop-up flap, we take a white paper and follow the measurements as per the slide coming by. So we have divided the paper in 10 equal parts and make the score lines with an empty pen. Now fold the paper like so. And erase all the pencil marks. So now I have few pictures in the measurement 4 cm by 4 cm. And we will paste them like so. I have left boxes in the middle empty so that we can incorporate any messages thereby. So I have cut out these paper tags and we will paste them like so. Now we need to attach both the ends of the flap to the box. I am using a double-sided glue tape for that. And it's ready. You can decorate the box in any manner. I have cut out a designer paper and will paste that on the top. Now I have a strip of paper and the happy birthday tag. And this is how I am going to do it. Our pop-up photo box is ready. So do try this simple easy card and gift it to your near and dear ones.
For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos, and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Krazzy for DIY.